Large format porcelain slabs are a smart choice for their contemporary aesthetic, resistance, and low maintenance. But how do you clean them properly? In this video, we'll walk you through the correct cleaning methods for floors, showers, and wall surfaces, step by step. Porcelain slabs are non-absorbent, durable, and easy to maintain. But proper cleaning, starting from the post-installation phase, is essential to preserve both appearance and performance over time. Start with dry cleaning. Use a vacuum cleaner or soft broom to remove dust and loose dirt. Then wash with warm water and a neutral or slightly alkaline detergent. Avoid oil-based or waxy products, which can leave streaks or films. Finish by rinsing and drying with a clean microfiber cloth. Showers are prone to limescale and soap residue. After each use, rinse with warm water and dry the surfaces. For deep cleaning, apply a non-aggressive limescale remover, let it sit briefly, then wipe with a soft cloth. Rinse thoroughly and dry to restore brightness. Wall slabs need attention too. For daily cleaning, a damp microfiber cloth and neutral detergent are enough. For tougher stains, use a slightly alkaline product. Avoid waxes or oily substances that may alter the surface finish. Ordinary cleaning should be done regularly to prevent buildup. Extraordinary cleaning, less frequent, helps remove limescale, greasy residues, or construction materials. Always choose suitable, pH-balanced detergents designed for porcelain slabs. Large format porcelain slabs are incredibly easy to care for if cleaned the right way. With just a few thoughtful actions, you can preserve their beauty and performance for years to come. Want more tips? Subscribe to our channel and explore atlasplan.com.